Okay, young gents, summertime project. First one is making mayonnaise with your farm fresh garden eggs, right?
Yep.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, take the whites out. May want to get a little spoon, Andrew.
This one might not do it as well because it's flat.
Yeah.
Because it's wounded.
Okay, put that egg white in here. In here? I mean the egg yolk in here.
In here?
Yep. And do one more like that. Put it on paper towel. Try not to break the yolk. Okay, good one. Now come dump the yolk out for now. Okay, okay. Throw that in there.
In here?
Yep. Okay, cut the lemon in half. Sort of straight. Okay. Put half of it in the squeezer. Andrew, do that. You hold this, Mason. Hold it over here. Put it fill it in. Put it real close so it doesn't spill everywhere. Squeeze that thing.
I am, I just don't know if it's...
Okay, a little more. Keep going. Okay, that's good. Put that in. Okay, we actually need 2 tablespoons. Yeah, half a tablespoon per egg. You have 4 eggs. Squeeze it. How much you have in there? That's good. Okay, and we need 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. Keep going. That's good. Cap it off. Put it in with the egg mixture. 4 teaspoons of
Oh, look what happened to it.
not white vinegar, but white wine. So we use rice vinegar. So put 3 more teaspoons in there.
This?
3 more teaspoons of vinegar.
Oh, I thought you said lemon. Is this still recorded? Oh.
Look. Okay, you add 1, 2, 3. Is that 4? Okay. Wait. Put a pinch of salt in.
Is it even coming out? I think it is. That's good.
That's good. And a pinch of pepper. Just a couple. We have to get real fine grain. Not so hard. Okay. Go ahead. Start mixing. Not so fast. Just keep it in the middle and just go steady. That way you don't splash it everywhere. And we'll slowly, Mason, come pour the avocado oil in there slowly.
How much?
Drizzle, just slowly. Probably that whole thing. Go ahead and stir. Keep stirring. Don't stop stirring. Slower. Gotta go drop like a drop at a time. Come on, keep going.
Oh, yeah. Really, that's what you just copied.
Okay, we're gonna go with plan B here. Okay, look at that consistency. It's like mayo. Yummy. Mmm.